Welcome back to the bus build. Today we are working on painting all of the metal sheets for the roof raise. I wasn't able to find galvanized steel like Chuck Cassidy recommended, so we just have the spare stuff. But I'm spraying it with Rust-Oleum bare metal / rusty metal primer, and I'll just spray the outside, and then once we put it up on the bus after the roof raise, we'll spray the inside, and that should keep everything from rusting. So hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick rundown on what I'm doing. So basically, each window is held in with 2 of these brackets on each side with a Phillips screw. Pull the Phillips screw out, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then basically you just cut the gasket, the sealer all the way around. Just like that. Pull the window out. So do that 26 more times and we have no more windows. Couple down, couple more to go. 1 million more to go. 1 billion jillion. Just finished fabricating all of the metal on the back of the bus. Now I can put some skin on it. putting rivets in. Rivets and rivets and rivets. Got this corner piece bent up and installed.
Excited, Jacob?
Huh?
Are you excited to drill all these holes?
No, I don't want to drill all these holes. But
It's kind of the worst.
it has to be done. Someone's got to do it, and nobody's going to come do it for us. Unless we can sucker somebody into doing that, but I don't think we can.
Here we are at the side of the bus. We're really hoping to get this whole side of it skinned today. That would feel like a big win. Trying to beat the fall rains here in Washington to get it all dried in and painted before it starts dumping on us for many months. So
this is my jig that I made, and it's got perfect spacing for my rivets. So we clamp this guy onto the side of the bus and pre-drill all of our holes, so when we hang our sheet metal we can just drill from the inside out instead of trying to guess where the strut is. So we got to drill a ton of holes, and then we can hang some skin. But I don't want to hang skin unless the sun comes out today, because I want the sun to heat it up and expand it, so when it goes on there it is less likely to oil can. So if it's expanded and it cools down, it'll shrink and get really tight. But if you install it when it's cold and then it expands on the bus, it'll get all ripply because all that material has to expand somewhere. So hopefully the sun comes out, it's supposed to, otherwise we'll just keep drilling. Lots of rivets. There's our Australian friend Caleb.
I'm not Australian.
He's visiting the outback from the outback in his outback.
We're out back.
Well, it's starting to get a little dark, but that marks a very successful day of skinning the bus. Hopefully I got enough footage. I am not so good at recording while working. In the back is already done, so it looks really good. Perfectly straight rivet lines. Turned out killer. Hit the trash can. Hit it. Thank you guys so much for watching the roof raise video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. And we just got the bus painted. Just painted the bus. So that video should be released very soon. And then we start on the inside of the bus. I'm building it out. Hope you guys enjoy.